kukho konke lokhu okwenzakalayo. Angaze ngisicabange ngemuva kokudlula kabuhlungu kwabazali bami ukuthi ngizobona abantu bakithi bebandakanyeka ekushiseni izwe ngothi nje likametshisi. Nina besilo okubuhlungu kakhulu ukuthi lesi siphithiphithi esibhekisa umnotho wethu, umnotho wezwe, kanti nalabo abahlupheka kakhulu oyibona abampofu ngaso lesi sigameko, yibona abazohlupheka kakhulu ngaso lesi isenzo esenzakalayo. Amaketanga okuhlinzekwa alimele kakhulu. Imindeni yethu Kole nje kancane nabisi isizwe sakithi siyahlonishwa kakhulu umhlaba wonke jikelele, futhi saziwa njengezwe isizwe sakithi siyahlonishwa kakhulu umhlaba wonke, futhi saziwa njengesizwe esiziqhenyayo kakhulu ngokuba nenhlonipho nokuziphatha. Ngiyanxusa ke bantu bakithi, bantu bakababa, ubuZulu buyifa okumele siligade njengomcebo wethu. Ngakho ke ngiyanxusa isizwe samaZulu ukuba sihoxe ekubambeni iqhaza ekubhujisweni kwezwe. Ngiyanxusa ukuthi kube nokuthula nokuthi kubuyiswe isithunzi samaZulu. Nginxusa abantu bakithi ukuba bahole ngesibonelo. Ngakho ke masingavumeli ezombangazwe ukuthi nginxusa abantu bakithi ukuba bahole ngesibonelo. Masingavumeli ezombangazwe zisicontsisele izwe lethu phansi. Isithunzi sesizwe sakithi siyengelwe ekubhubhiseni. Ngakho-ke kepha kumele sinxuse sonke ukuthi sithathe isinyathelo, sibuyele emva, sibheke umonakalo odalwe ngabantu bakithi. Should I do the English one? Okay.
Well,
Should I do the English one? Listen,
let's go.
listen.
Isipedi nje. Yeah. Isipedi izulu. Tawala.
3 months.
Isilo sithi ngitshela ukuthi siyakhuluma beka wona lamagama ngesilungu. Bye.
3 months ago, the nation lost a king, our king, His Majesty, King Goodwill Zwelithini kaBhekuzulu. That brought great sorrow to all of us. While we were grieving, we again lost our beloved Queen Indlovukazi uMantombi Dlamini Zulu. Yet in spite of all of that, we have never given up hope. For we as a nation know who we are and how we withstood similar situations in the past. During the great tribulations, we remained calm and resilient. What we are witnessing, a wave of chaos and looting, has swept across KwaZulu-Natal and has spread across the country since the arrest of our former president, Ubaba Nxamalala. I believe we all agree that it is not the right way to express our dissatisfaction. It creates a picture of a people who have lost their dignity. What is even more saddening is that so many of those who are drawn to this lawlessness and criminality are members of the Zulu nation. It has brought great shame upon us all as our fingers are pointed at my father's people. I never thought after the tragic passing of my parents that I would see our own people so complicit and burning down the country. I fully understand the depression born of poverty and unemployment, which lures people, especially our youth, to join in this chaos. But I must appeal to all of us to take a great step back and consider the damage that is being done by our own actions. Worse still, this chaos is destroying our economy, our country's economy. But those who will suffer the most from a weakened economy are especially our poor. The vulnerable and the struggle when food cannot be delivered because trucks and warehouses are being burnt by our people, we will go hungry. As my father, King Goodwill Zwelithini kaBhekuzulu, always said, asihlukane nothi kaMetshiso. When medicine and vaccines cannot be delivered, there will be no help for the sick and those who are dying. Vital supply chains have been damaged, and it is our very own families who will suffer the consequences. knowing that all this is happening in a time of a pandemic, and at a height, the most dangerous variant of the viruses, leads the only conclusion possible. My father's people are committing suicide. One cannot see, but it is happening. Our nation is highly respected all over the world and is known as a nation that is very proud of its dignity and morals. I appeal to you, my father's people. Zulu is a heritage that we cannot cherish and guard as our own treasure. I therefore appeal to the Zulu nation to withdraw from the participation of the destruction of our country, South Africa. I appeal for calm, for peace to be restored. I call on our people to lead by example. Let us not allow politics to taint our dignity of our nation, to be led to destruction. We are much better than this. We are a people of dignity. Let us respect the rule of law and ensure the order returns to KwaZulu. Ngiyathokoza kakhulu nina beSilo. Nina beSilo, lokhu esikubonayo phakathi kwamaZulu namaNdiya, isicelo ukuthi makuphele. Isizwe samaNdiya ngaphandle kweNdiya la kusezweni laseNdiya khona ekuyisona esikhulu ngisho ngokwesibili ekulandeleni India, amaNdiya alapha eThekwini. Ngakho ke nina beSilo sihlezi iminyaka eminingi ngokuthula nesizwe samaNdiya, futhi singabaholi bayafika futhi nabase-India kithina bethi siyabonga nina beSilo ukuthi nihlezi nabahlobo bethu abangamaNdiya nihlezi ngokuthula. Ngakho ke ngithi asizwelane kulokho ngoba isithombe nosekwenzeka kwamina ngizizwa ngithuthumela uma ngibona lokho okwenzekayo. Ngiyathokoza nina beSilo. my brothers and sisters, a request asking us, with what's happening between the Zulus and the Indians, that with immediate effect it must come to an end. Our Indian brothers, our closest neighbors, and we have the second biggest population of Indians in KwaZulu-Natal outside of India. And through that, we have met certain people who have come to us to say thank you to the Zulu people and the Zulu royal family, that you are living with our brothers, our Indian brothers, in peace. So I appeal to everyone that we embrace the Indians, because we share our land with the Indians. And through that, I appeal for peace, and I want to thank you.
I don't know if God goes anything further. It's not from the king. The king wished to apologize because he didn't have his reading glasses. In fact, I tried to indicate to one of his aides this way because I could see that he would have problems in reading his message without his glasses. Sizingela nabuntanyeni uzojamatala uzojamatala sizingela nabuntanyeni uzojamatala Zingela nabuntanyeni azathetha macala azathetha macala Sizingela nabuntanyeni